Smash Engineering.
Hi, welcome back to this episode of Smash Engineering. I know it's been a while, but today we're going to do another connection issue with your TV. Now this isn't so much of a network or any type of failure. This is just you bought a TV, and I'll go over the model. Actually, I put the model right here. But you're going to plug your TV in. It's going to say network is disconnected, and the only reason it's disconnected is because we haven't set it up yet. So I'm going to run through how to go ahead and set it up. So what we're going to do is hit the settings button. We'll go down to network, and you'll see here you have a lot of different options that you can run through. There's even a support option here. If something that I'm helping you with or something that I'm talking about isn't what you need, you can go here and see that. But there you can see the TV model, and you got your sound, you got your different channels. But anyway, we're going to deal with the connection. So what you're going to do is go down, you see your TV name there, you can go to network status. Now, I do believe you can hardwire this TV, but I recommend just doing a Wi-Fi setup. So we're going to click on that. We're going to go to Wi-Fi connections, click on that, and then you'll see a bunch of different Wi-Fi availabilities pop up here. And you always got your neighbors that make the fun ones, the Papa Roach fan club. I wasn't invited to that, but you know, we'll talk about that later. So anyway, you're going to click on what you know is your Wi-Fi. And after a few moments of it verifying everything, you'll enter your password. Any day now. I'm really surprised it's taken this long. It normally does not take this long. Okay, so, it's saying I haven't entered the password yet, but it's saying it's an incorrect password. So you may get that. Go ahead here, just we'll enter our password. Which is, of course, Smash Engineering rocks. What else would you make your password? And you'll see it there saying that it's connected. And now, go back out of this. Your warning is gone. It's not bouncing around the screen any longer. And if you check your network connections, you can see here, you are connected to the internet. Now, what you can do too, if you feel like it's not working good, you can check different types of connections. Make sure that it is your listed TV there. You can also go through your different channel tuning. I'm sorry, got a new camera and it's gonna go in the garbage. But now you can see that it's loaded and it's working. And Samsung actually comes, or not Samsung, I'm not sure. Is this Samsung? What is this brand? LG, sorry. It says LG right there. But LG has its own like channels that you can get. So, but yeah, that is how you do it. Let me mute this before I get in trouble. Two, if you need any type of other, if your main language is not English, you can go to general there, and you can go down to language, and you have many options there on how to change your language from English or whatever it's set in currently to whatever language that you need. let's see, there's also accessibility here. You have your audio guidance. I apologize for this camera. I'm gonna go back to my old one. You can turn on high contrast. There's a lot of different options. You can turn on your grayscale. You can invert the colors. There's closed captioning built into the TV. Let's see, what else can I cover real quick while we're here? You can do your different sounds. You can do Bluetooth out, actually. You can use external speakers, which I do. I said do, right? It's funny. You can change your aspect ratio. You can change your brightness. You got additional settings here for your picture. You got eye comfort mode. If you have this in a room, like your bedroom, where you often have all the lights off and just the TV is the only light, you'll want to turn this option on. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. So real quick again, you go from your settings, and you can use this as a pointer, or you can also just hit the menu button. You can go to all settings. You can go to connection, and these are your options right here. So you'll set it up in this, and you'll see we're still connected. So I want to thank you for watching another episode of Smash Engineering. I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. I appreciate all the shares. It's pretty cool at this point in the channel. I can see where most of the demographics are coming from, and you guys are all over the world. So I really do appreciate it. I hope wherever you're at in the world that this finds you well. I know we're all struggling right now with the increased cost of things and fuel and different wars going on, but I believe in a better humanity. I believe that we all can work together. I believe that we all can put positive vibes out there, and that we all can embrace each other and have a better life. So keep the positive vibes out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.